But we'll be fine. Okay, but if you want to purchase one, I'm sure they'll sell you one. You know? Got your storage, so. Good times.
Bring a cover, no problem. We'll throw it on there.
You know all that. You know all that.
GeezerGlide 49mm front end on my 2008 UltraClassic. Amazing. I mean, absolutely amazing, the performance difference. Don't get the walking anymore as I'm carving in corners, especially making the transition from one freeway to the next. You really notice that, even in bumps and stuff. I'm running the GeezerGlide 19-inch wheel as well, and the whole setup. It looks good. It looks performance-wise, it just looks amazing, but the handling is a huge difference. No more flex, no more anything. It's great. I highly recommend it. If you've got a 2013 or older touring bike, you've got to look at putting a 49mm front end on your bike.